We all know that diamonds are a girl's best friend, especially when we're talking about Cartier. I always bring to you, ladies, the Cartier grant opportunity, but this year in 2025, they are dropping the awards in Japan, honey. Now, the Cartier Women's Initiative is a grant opportunity, a networking opportunity, and a coaching development opportunity for all businesses, women-owned businesses specifically. And this is for any business that is all across the world. So this is an international grant. I noticed that some of their winners from 2024, they had winners from Bangladesh, Dubai, South Africa, and also South America and North America. So no matter where you are in the world, you can potentially win this really big grant opportunity and be in front of other investors that want to simply invest into your business. So let's read more about the Cartier Initiative. I'm always bringing it to you, and I'll tell you guys what the dates and all that good stuff, okay? All right, so it says the 2025 edition, we are pleased to be hosting another Impact Awards edition in 2025. Cartier has proudly been selected by the committee of the Japan Association for the 2025 World Exposition to represent the Women's Pavilion at Expo 2025 Osaka, Kanase, Japan. This is really cool. Okay, well, I think it's Kansai. Don't let me mess up the Japan words. Okay, this is a continuation of the Women's Pavilion of the Expo 2020 Dubai, where we hosted the Impact Awards for the very first time. Now, they've been doing this for 2020. All right, and so they started in Dubai. So this year you have a chance at potentially winning this entire grant and then also going to Osaka, Japan. Isn't that cool? Japan is definitely on my bucket list, friend. Okay, so let's scroll down and learn more. It says, what are the Impact Awards? The Impact Awards are dedicated to former Cartier Women's Initiative fellows who have achieved extraordinary impact over the years. 9 Impact awardees will be selected across 3 categories, covering all 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals: preserving the planet, improving lives, and creating opportunities. These awards represent the top 3 businesses from each of the above categories. They will receive $100,000 in grant money, each in addition to human capital support and media visibility. Let me break that down. You'll get $100,000 in money. Okay, 100,000 USD. You'll get human capital. Human capital means they will provide the necessary staff to help you in development or in your development process for whatever you're doing. And then they'll also give you media visibility, which most likely you'll probably be in like the next Forbes magazine or whatever have you, okay? And that type of media coverage is exactly what your impact or innovative business needs. Now, mind you, they're looking for someone who's in the sustainable development goals. So what that means is you have to be doing something that helps preserve the planet. So things like, if you're helping with plastics or you're helping the sea, whatever have you. Improving lives. So for all of my life coaches, for all of the ones who are helping, young mothers, especially in South Africa, we see that a lot where there's a lot of young mothers, right? Youth, and you are helping them with developing, right? And helping them gain opportunities in education, feeding the children, right? Especially in Africa. You would be perfect for this. And also, if you are creating opportunities is if you are offering grants like I do, if you are offering education, if you are offering job opportunities specifically for women of color or other underserved communities. This is the perfect grant opportunity for you. And $100,000 is more than enough capital for you to reinvest into your strategies so you can continue to create awareness about the impact that you are doing in the world. So the Cartier Women's Initiative is perfect for you to apply to. Now you can scroll through and you can learn more about like the Dubai 2022, how that went and all that good stuff. But you have by June 24th of 2025. You have by June 24th, 2025 to apply to this particular grant. They're actually going to be announcing the winner and having the entire award ceremony in Japan in May of 2025. Visit CartierWomen'sInitiative.com or simply click the link down below in the description to learn more and to dive deeper into this grant opportunity. I wanted to bring this to all my ladies, all of my friends out there, especially if you are a boss babe like me, because we are all creating opportunities and we are all here to help each other. So I'm here to give you the education. I just need for you to act on it and just move forward, okay? So if you want to have a one-on-one consultation with me, friend, and you want to figure out how you can get yourself ready for this particular opportunity and thousands others that serve in your favor, click the link down below. I have a one-on-one consultation link, and I have a dedicated playlist on how to search and apply to grants and how I win these grants. I've been winning them for 10 years, and I have a 71% successful grant writing rate, okay? So thank you so much for watching towards the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys, ladies, in another video. Bye-bye for now.